Well, hopefully it's still light enough to see, but I just made this 20-foot beam out of a piece of scrap log that I'm not going to use for anything else. And turned out pretty good. It's not exactly square, but I think that's due to I don't have the blade tight enough. But anyway, so made these dogs, welded them up at my neighbor's house, designed them myself. They cinch up tight to the log, and then also his idea, which sort of works pretty good. It's a squaring bracket, but anyway, you sort of set it with this nut up tight against the log, and then it holds it while you saw. Here's another one of his. Of course, I made these all out of scrap, so anyway, so that's how that works. My Hudson saw. The track has actually got about 8 more feet I could use, so really I could get about a 28-foot beam out of this sawmill without any extra effort, and I think it turned out pretty well. I'll just show you the whole thing. So next steps are to where the track joins the other track, it's off by about a 1/16 of an inch. The manufacturer made their track, I guess on one end it's not as wide as it should be, so it's sort of thrown it off. Mine, I measured mine and they're exact, so beginner's luck probably. Anyway, so that's where I'm at tonight.